It's time to do a little bit of work on my house today. Woke up the other morning and my heat pump was making all sorts of noise, and it's been a problem ever since I bought this house. We had some issues with the heat pump being about 18 years old or so, and I had cross heating come out from Lexington area, and they did a super awesome job last time they were here. They're such a good company. I called them a couple of times now, and they've showed up, either that day or the next day, just whenever I was free. Actually, their schedule was better than mine. But today they're going to be replacing my heat pump, and the technician's here right now. He's removing all the old stuff. Here's his van here. He's just chilling here in my parking lot or in my driveway, and we're having a good time just getting prepped. And the owner of the company is going to be bringing by the new heat pump. The current heat pump that I have is electric, and we're going to be switching to a gas heat pump to save on energy costs. Here in Tennessee, natural gas is cheaper than electricity as opposed to other places I've lived. And so we're going to do that and hopefully have a warm house again. We've just been running off of emergency heat and portable heaters for about 3 or 4 days now. It's just like I'm not doing it. It's time to get a new unit. So Cross Heating just finished up their installation. Looks pretty good. Let's come out here and take a look. We converted from electric to a gas unit since my gas meter's so close. Let me show you what it looks like here. So here's the unit. It's a gas heat pump. There's the cross sticker there. And then that's a temp star unit. And so here they had the gas meter, and they did all the plumbing and everything. Got it all set up and it's running, and it's working really good. I'm really surprised at how good this thing works, but I'm, brand new, right? So special thanks and shout out to Cross Heating for making sure that this went super smooth. They picked up the unit this morning and installed it. 2 guys came out and they were awesome. And I just can't say enough about how great the experience was. So appreciate you guys, and I'm gonna go inside and sit in the warm house.